What's up, friends? This is Guillermo again in the Christmas spirit. I'm making this video because a lot of you guys are calling me and you want your trade lines added before Christmas time or by the new year because you're going to do something with your trade lines or your credit report. I just want to say that I'm offering trade lines right now, and our prices vary. I know what the market value for trade lines are. So when you call me, I'm going to give you a percentage off because I know what people charge out there. And I'm able to give you and get you involved with a trade line for an affordable price. Okay, now what happens is with a trade line, it can increase your credit score 25 to 75 points on average. One trade. Now, our trade lines come from 2.5 years up to 20 years seasoning. They're permanent and they come from primary institutions, not secondary institutions. Primary institutions. We have AUs and we have primary trade lines as well. Of course, the primary trade line is going to take a little while longer than your regular AUs, but you're going to be able to see that trade line hit. When you call me about your trade line situation, whether it's your CPN number or your personal credit profile, we're going to take a look at it first and give you an analysis, a free analysis, to see how much you will need for a trade line. Because we don't know right now your debt to income ratio, so that we could counter it with the new trade lines that we're going to put. Now they could be $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 trade lines, or $50,000 trade lines. But one thing is that we need to look at your credit score first. We want to take your money, right? We want to help you, but we're not going to help you if we see a certain situation in which you're going to need credit repair first. And I have a client right now that we're putting him through the credit repair first. He wired us money to Financial Chemotherapy. We were able to look at his credit profile and determine that, hey, you got 7 negative items on your credit report. It's not going to work as best if we add the trade lines. For now, what we need to do is counter, alright? We need to fight those negative informations off. That's why he got involved with my credit repair company, United Credit Education Services. You can check out my website at www.credit-debt-vendetta.com, and you can see our track record of how many people, thousands, hundreds of thousands of people we've helped. Okay, so I got involved in credit repair, and once we start seeing negative items come out, then we're going to add simultaneously the trade lines. Okay, one thing that once you get involved with me and you give me a call, of course I want to know your situation, what it is, what is it that you want, so that I can come with my service and provide for you. But one thing that you can't do during the process of the 30 to 45 business days that we will need to add the trade lines, you can't go out there and apply for credit cards. You can't go out and use those credit cards, okay? And you just gotta chill out, okay? Using that credit card or whatever it is that you're gonna use with your CPN number or your Social Security number, okay? It needs to be clean. All you need to do, please, is just pay your debt, okay? And basically that's it. I mean, we say 30 to 45 business days to add trade lines, but we were able to help you out faster, okay? But we need funds, and what we usually need is 60 to 70% of upfront cost, so that we can start rolling up our sleeves and having work for you, okay? Now, my commissions, whatever I get paid, that's going to be in the end, okay? But I need to, we need 60 to 70% to start off up front so that the work can get started, okay? Just like I could give you a good credit score, I can help anyone out there, okay? Now, people have been calling me on a national level. Some people, tell me, oh, my CPN number is clean. Okay, I'm going to have to see that CPN number. I'm going to have to determine how much trade lines you need. If it's clean, great. You're going to have a 750 credit score. in 30 to 45 business days. You want to buy a house, you got a 600 and you need a 620, 640 to qualify for FHA loan, you got a little negative information, you need to add some trade lines. Why? Because in 30 to 45 business days, you're going to be moving in that house because now your credit score is going to increase. Okay? People, value what the service is because they could do things with it. Whether it's a business person or it's a regular person, you got to have a purpose for what you're doing it for. It can't just be sitting there looking pretty because at any time, you know how volatile the whole market is right now, you could lose it. Alright? So what I want you to do is know what you're going to use it for. Give me a call. Get involved with Financial Chemotherapy so that we can help you. As long as I empower you, educate you, and let you know that these things are going to work, it will work. Okay? My phone number is 973-440-8661. That's my Google Voice. Please, if you can, leave me a message with your email address so that I could give you my information through email. Okay, I'm going to send you my information of how much the cost and how much the market value out there is for trade lines. Okay, now remember, this is Christmas. Just imagine January comes in here and you got a 750 credit score. What you going to do for the new year? How good you going to feel with that? But again, if you don't, then you're stuck in the same hole that you're on right now. Okay? So I just want to let you know that, a lot of people call me, they're only business people that know what they're going to do with that trade line.